is going on? My name is Altone, and this is a fantastic router from Reyee. This is the AX3000, and it's truly a great router. Reyee does have a great selection of different routers, a few of which I use as well, but I just want to tell you a little bit about the AX3000. So the AX3000 is a fantastic router that will provide you with 3,000 square feet of high-speed wireless connectivity. Now, this particular router can be used in two different ways. You can use it as a standalone, or you can use it as a mesh system. And the fantastic thing about using it as a mesh system is if your primary router in your home is not a Reyee router, it's not even an issue, because this guy can connect to many other wireless devices and can be used as a Wi-Fi extender. And that is exactly how I am using it right now. So what comes in the box is pretty much everything that you need to use this guy. You get the Reyee AX3000, a 4-foot power cord, 5-foot Ethernet cable, an instruction guide, a warranty card, and a service contract card. And Reyee even has a mobile app that will allow you to be able to connect your different Reyee devices to your home network. On the front of the device, you got your LED lights that actually give you an indication of how good your signal is and if you actually have a connection. You will want to read the information on your status LED in the manual as you go through your initial setup. On the back of the router, you have 4 Ethernet connections, your DC connection to power your device, your reset button, which you'll want to use anytime you want to add the device to a different network, and then you have a mesh button, and the instructions will tell you how to use that mesh button in case you're not using the Reyee app in order to do the configuration. And last but not least, you have 5 high gain antennas, each one having its own individual signal amplifier. Now the AX3000 can also handle up to 128 devices, and you can provide optimized internet for 60 of those devices. So I will tell you this, I'm not a gamer, but I do live stream frequently, and I also use an online CAD program to design and work on some projects for things I'm 3D printing around my home, and I absolutely need good wireless connection. And this router is an absolute fantastic addition to our wireless network here in our home. So thank you so much for coming by and checking out this guy with me. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you again.